Hello Aviator. Congratulations! You have been selected to be our commander at Global Air Taxi on Earth 45 in the Omega system. Our company ferries all Hello Captain, welcome to Earth 45. And Shuttle Alpha 1. My name is Soteria. And I am the first generation AI computer and I would be your flight assistant. I will guide you through the shuttle controls and other information. So, let us begin with the training session, Captain.
The heart of the bridge is the command module, from which the captain, executive officer, and counselor can supervise all bridge operations.
Hello Captain, I hope you went through the shuttle information. And you can revisit the tutorial section anytime in the homepage. Please help me with the below options on what do you want me to do.